someone asked me to introduce calculus to him. So the first thing that I can explain to him is that we have a line on calculus, but there's nothing interesting about that. The only thing that we can think of is the gradient of this line. The gradient has an equation which is called y is equal to mx plus c. Now we are only gonna use this equation if we want to find a certain point on a graph. Let's just say, for example, we have 2 points on a graph here. To calculate these 2 points on a graph, we need to get an average of these 2 points. So you can see that as the graph goes on, I have these 2 points right over here, and this average is getting smaller. That's what we call an average speed. So that's an average that you can get, and if it gets more smaller and smaller until it reaches that point, there are no 2 points to be an average for. So that's what you call a tangent of a line. A line will only become interesting if it makes a tangent with the graph. So from here, I just drew it so that you can see that the tangent touches the graph at the turning point. So this turning point can be calculated as the value of the y-intercept, and this x-intercept can also be calculated. So we're gonna see on the next example. We have y is equals to negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. I drew this one here just to show you what's going on. This is our line. It touches this graph at a point x is equals to 2. So that was the question that was given, that it touches the graph at x is equals to 2. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you like how do you get these intercepts before you draw this graph. It's gonna be pretty much important before you get to the exams if you know how to get those values of intersect. Let's do this. So from here, if I want to get the y-intercept, it's for y-intercept, x equals to 0. So y is gonna be equal to positive 3, because all these ones are gonna be 0. The next step, I'm going to get the first derivative of this. So the derivative of x is equal to, using the power rule, is gonna be negative 2x plus 2. So that's our equation here if we want to get the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So going further, we can substitute y for 3. So if it becomes 3 here, then it becomes negative 2x plus 2. Taking this 2 to the other side, it becomes 1, which is equal to negative 2x. And dividing both sides by negative 2x, we get is equals to negative half. So this is our derivative here. Now, if you want to continue with more exercises like this, catch me again, guys. Tomorrow we're gonna draw a similar graph to this, but using the cubic function. Here we just only established the turning points and the x-intercept. So if you like, you can go over again this problem and see where we went correct. because we've got the tangent and the graph and we got all the intercept. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys again tomorrow.